Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. If you need a pump sprayer rated for acetone, check out this one from Chapin. So we were looking for an acetone rated pump sprayer to seal our garage floor. The solution that we were using would definitely damage any other type of pump sprayer, so this was the perfect solution. The nice thing about this is that it does have a pretty large tank volume. It is 2 gallons, so we had plenty of space to fill it up with the solution that we were using. It has a really nice strong spray. Of course, you do have to stop and repump it every so often to keep that flow going, but it really does a great job. We were able to do this floor in a very short time using this pump sprayer, and we didn't find that it was clogging or having any issues with the gaskets. It had a nice tight seal. So this definitely was the right tool for the right job, and we are really happy with the way that this turned out. So this definitely helped us with our project, and that's my point of view.